Weighting and gravity can sometimes clear a minor toilet clog on their own without soap. Toilet clogs that are caused by soft, organic material or toilet paper can slowly break down as water soaks and gravity pulls the debris downward. So, letting the bowl sit undisturbed for several hours can work for low-effort fixes. Pouring a bucket of water into the bowl from waist height increases flow force and often finishes the job. Use hot tap water but not boiling water to avoid damaging porcelain or wax seals. Adding a generous squirt of liquid dish soap or hand soap before waiting softens fats and hair and reduces surface tension so blockages move more readily. So soap is a small step that raises the odds substantially. If you try patience first, clear the bowl water level enough so it will accept an added bucket without overflowing, and remove any visible foreign objects with gloves or pliers rather than pushing them further. For persistent clogs, use a flange plunger with firm, controlled pumps rather than frantic thrusts, and follow with a few additional buckets of water to flush away loosened material. If those steps fail after a couple of attempts, switch to a toilet auger to reach deeper obstructions and avoid chemical drain cleaners that can damage plumbing and seals. People often wait too briefly and then assume the clog will never clear. Give it several hours overnight and check again. Another common issue is adding too much water when attempting to boost flow, which can cause an overflow. Control the pour and pour from waist height to create force without splashback. A third mistake is relying on harsh chemicals for convenience, which can corrode pipes and harm septic systems. Use mechanical methods like plungers or augers when patience and soap do not work. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around practical home repair topics like unclogging toilets, helping us find local professionals and share real-world tips. We host a discussion community where we exchange advice, post experiences, and connect directly with people offering services.